Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to convert MOV to MP4 on your iPhone. It's very easy to do in a couple minutes. For this, you need to download a certain application. It's absolutely free. You go to the App Store and you look for the app, MP4 Converter. That's the app. You download and open this app, then you agree. Then click on Allow Full Access, and then you select the video you want. You're done. Then click Done. Now you must choose the format to which we will convert our video. Choose MP4. Also here you can trim your video. And be sure to check the box, Save to Gallery. And at the end click on the button, Start Converting. Wait a couple seconds. Done. As you can see, it's very simple and fast. Done. Now your video is saved to gallery. And it's changed the format to MP4. It's not that complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. This was the Phone Support Channel. Bye-bye. See you later.